In the ancient and prosperous kingdom of Vijayanagara, people hurried through the busy marketplace. When suddenly, a merchant arrived holding a shining golden parrot in a cage. Crowds gathered, amazed, as the merchant proudly announced, "This parrot can predict the future." The news spread quickly, and soon it reached the ears of King Krishna Devraya. Inside the royal court, the merchant displayed the parrot, which seemed to speak in mysterious riddles. The ministers were impressed, believing the parrot truly possessed magical powers. But then, Tenaliraman entered with a gentle smile, observing everything quietly. When the king asked for his opinion, Tenaliraman replied with confidence, "Your Majesty, this parrot cannot predict anything." The merchant grew angry, but Tenaliraman suggested a simple test. He would write a secret question, and the parrot must answer it. A small scroll was placed before the cage. The parrot stared, but remained silent. Whispers filled the court. Doubts arose. The merchant began sweating nervously. Tenaliraman then revealed the truth. The parrot spoke only when the merchant made hidden hand signals. To prove it, Tenaliraman copied the exact gestures, and instantly the parrot reacted. The king turned angry, realizing the fraud. Guards escorted the merchant away for trying to deceive the kingdom. Pleased, the king praised Tenaliraman's intelligence once again. The golden parrot was released into the palace garden, finally free. And Tenaliraman walked away with his trademark smile, reminding everyone that wisdom always shines brighter than trickery.